welcome back for another Galthim DIY repair video here. This one is a little bit special. This one is a friend's laptop that they told me stopped working, so we're just going to get it plugged in and figure out what's wrong here, and then kind of go from there. We're just going to get through the troubleshooting steps. Those are nice puffy stickers there. That's awesome. And then we're going to see what's going on at the end there. So yeah, so I'm just going to open it up here. It looks like it is a Dell Latitude. Ooh. Let's find out what the extra bit here is. And looks like, oh, there's the service data. It looks like it's right here. So you know what? I'm old. Let's figure out what that is by way of microscope. It's an E5520 Latitude. Not the newest in the world, but certainly not the worst in the world here. And so we're just gonna go ahead and plug it in real quick, because I don't think she's had it plugged in for a very long time. And we're gonna take a look at this and see what's going on here. Oh, it looks like it responded to getting plugged in. It's charging the battery, it says, but you know, I'll bet that it doesn't have a good battery. Try to turn this just a little bit here, see if we can get it turned on. It does seem like it's coming on. Just move my arm here for the left cam. Okay, dark screen, nothing happened, just clicked a few times and then turned off. Okay. But still making noise. Turn back on. We do have a Dell screen, so that's good. CD-ROM drive is spinning. Invalid configuration information. Please run setup program. Time of date not set. Please run setup program. To continue, press F1. Change setup option. Okay, F2. All right, so let's see what happened there. Let's see if I can get you guys a little better picture of this. I don't have really great cameras, but if I move this out this way a little bit and tilt it, you might get some screen. There you go. I know that's really horrible. I should really fix that to where you guys can get a good look on this. All right. If I tilt it like this at my detriment. There you go. All right. So apparently time and date's not set correctly. Let's see what it looks like. Oh, yeah, that's definitely not right. Today's date being 07 at the time of recording, just so you guys can get a verification of how long it takes for me to do something like this. 07, 08. It's really weird to type like this, but I do it for you guys. It's all for you. It's 23. You know what? Let's just see if I can get this booted now. Let's see if it just boots straight into her stuff here. CD-ROM drive spinning, Latitude E5520 series. Sounds like there was a disk in there that's doing a thing. No bootable devices. Ooh. What is going on here? No bootable devices. Ah, that means the hard drive might have died. All right, so let's go i5 or i5. Let's go F5 and take a look here. Beautiful things going on here. Let's figure out why. Maybe in here, it's not letting me do anything. Oh, I want you to run this test. Tell me what's going on with the hard drive. Blowing out a lot of heat on my hands too, so let's Let's see what happens with the hard drive test. So far, we're not getting any weird errors or anything on it, so maybe I'll get back into this other stuff, and looks like it passed, so that's good. Go ahead and exit this, and we're going to get this restarted and get back into that setup. Let me take a look at these here. So, got Windows, Boomger, no. View. Okay, so why is it? Let's just try it again. See what happens. What's the worst that could happen? Not boot again? Screen's a bit dirty. I'm gonna have to clean that in a second because I can't handle it. No bootable devices. Okay. What happened? I hit F1 a bunch of times and then it decided, okay, it'll work. I'm just gonna let it run here for a little bit and see what happens because it blanked out and it decided not to tell me again that it couldn't boot. So let's see if it boots. Let's see. It just takes a press to turn off. Yeah. So it was just halted. Okay. Let's play through this a little bit more. Okay. All right, well, let's just take it apart and see how many drive bays they have and see if I can do something nifty about it. Okay. SATA SSD, 128 gig. Single, doesn't have a double drive at all. 128 is not so bad, but I feel like it has reached its potential as far as things go. Processor, it's awful hot. Not hot enough to burn my finger, but hot enough. That is the RAM I put in. Okay. Looks like it's a redo where they only put 2 screws back in instead of all 3 or all 4. And that's strange. Tell you what, I'm gonna take this out. I'm gonna try to put a different hard drive in it real quick just to test to make sure that it's not the the SATA controller or something like that. These screws are different. They're not, but I want to keep them separate. So I'm going to put them on that plane. So this one kind of went like that. I'm putting it back together that way, but that's not the way I want it to go at all. I swear. It drives me nuts, but I'm gonna do it anyway because that's the way it was. Somebody gave them a drive and they put the drive in and it is not magnetic, huh? I thought this one was the magnetic one, but apparently not. Okay, I could get out the good one. Just lay it down like this so you can see it. Turn it on. Sounds like it's booting up from the battery, but then it died. All right. It's still running. It is coming on. The validity of that battery is making me call it into question here. Okay. So it did not save the onboard stuff when I had it unplugged for a little bit and had the battery out. And it doesn't seem to find a bootable device. That is fun. All right. It's not like a touch screen, is it? Okay. We're gonna call a new drive and see what happens. But we're gonna move new drive up. Apply. I'm not worried about the rust yet. I'm just trying to get that figured out. We're gonna see what that looks like. Maybe the other drive. Maybe I should put the other drive back in since it seems to be just that. Soundwave is the name of my... Yeah. I just want to make sure that her other drive works properly. Oops. Hit my microphone. That's exactly what you want to hear. There it goes, yeah. Why is that one pushed out instead of... Curious. Alright. Let's put the other drive in now that I've got that figured out. Where'd my green one go? Oh my gosh. Losing my head here. There we go, got that all in there. And I'm gonna get the battery in there and see if this thing actually works. I'm gonna have to go to the screen again, darn it. Yeah, that one. That was locked in properly this time. That's good. Don't fall behind there. That'll be very bad. Very, very bad. Okay. Battery's charging, laptop is flipping, and we are turning it on. Turns on, turns off. Wait a second, might turn back on. There it goes, turning back on. Turns off one more time because it's something. And now it comes back on. Okay. This thing is dying a slow death, but It's not too terrible yet. At least it does come back on eventually. Yeah, give me the same configuration error. It's okay, I need to run setup anyway. So we're going to go to boot sequence. We are going to add boot option. And we are going to say current drive. And I'm going to make notes on this later. I don't know what's going on upstairs, but it sounds pretty big. There we go. All right. Let's see what happens. Give me Windows. All right. Looks like everything seems to be working. Let's find out about no internet, but there's a Wi-Fi card. Okay. Just gonna pull this off the edge so you don't see me type. Let's see if I can connect to the internet here. Secured, connecting. OneDrive didn't sign in. That's too bad. Looks like they used the... Okay. Yeah, well, aside from internet updates... and how slow this is. Okay, I don't need a PC health check. I don't care. The fact of the matter is the video, or not the video, the yeah, just do your thing. Anyway, speaking of this video, it's pretty much over. The hard drive is going, and I'm just gonna do some Windows updates. I don't know why, because I was gonna switch out that hard drive anyway, but you know what? While we're at it, our left cam, and bye-bye. And if you've made it this far in the video, that probably means you like this, so go ahead and hit that like button, give us a little shout out in the comments, consider subscribing, and definitely share this with your friends and family and anybody who likes computer repair stuff. And thank you for watching, and see you next time.